Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Threat Sense Biomod in Subnautica 2. Alright, to get the Biomod, you really only need to scan the hoverthorn fish. I believe you can only find this in the area that's close to the alien ruins, which is basically on the other side of the trench. They're everywhere, so you won't have a problem scanning for it, and now just approach your biolab and equip it. From the name of the Biomod, if you're being targeted by a hostile enemy, your sensors there at the top of the screen will start flashing, indicating that you're in danger. It's very helpful in situations where you think you're in a safe area, where in fact you are not. In the case you haven't gotten yourself a bioscanner, don't worry, I'll show it to you. Now, the things you're obviously going to need in this journey is a scanner and a repair tool. The repair tool is to repair any faulty doors inside the wreckage that we're going to investigate. We're going to be starting here at the alien ruins. From here, face towards southeast at about 130 bearing. If you take a look, I'm pretty much going to the location of where the ISO black box is located. As long as you kept going in the same direction, you'll find yourself facing a pretty big wreckage. As you get closer to it, move to the left, and there should be an entrance with a yellow marking on it. With your repair tool, repair this first door so you can get inside, and just keep following the open doors until you reach this light over here highlighting a hole that goes down. Go inside it and you should find yourself in an open space, and keep note of this oxygen tank that's producing bubbles. As long as you are on top of it, you'll gain some oxygen for you to have more time to explore the area. Go to this hole right here where the light is and just go straight down, and then you'll find the bioscanner resting right beside a door. You're only going to need this one to get the full blueprint. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.